Hey guys, today we're going to look at an unboxing of a standard edition Nintendo Switch Pro controller, just the black regular version. And I already wiggled these little tab things, stickers at the top, just because I don't want to damage the whole box or slice into it, but it is still sealed. I just wanted to kind of do it carefully. Alright, so there's one sticker, and there's two. I'm really trying to not damage this box as much as possible, but these are so tightly packed that it's very hard not to bend this cardboard or like rip some of it. Okay, there we go. Alright. That's how it is there. Okay, like it comes with the USB, probably what, 2.0 to, is that a USB-C, which is what the controller probably takes to charge. And we got like the serial right there. Oh no, it's like that, pardon me. Okay, it's got some weight to it actually. I was expecting it to be lighter because the Joy-Cons are so light. So this kind of reminds me of the Xbox 360 style controller. It's kind of hard to see on my camera here. It's got one nub there and another here. Wow, and this actually, it feels really good. This is the first time I've held one. It does feel like a 360 controller, and it's got way more weight than the Joy-Cons do. Looks like we got, oh yeah, sticker to peel off there, very satisfying. We got the glossy surface here. That's the charging port, I assume a sync thing. Got the two triggers, and I don't know if they're analog or they're just on and off. I'll have to read up on that or try it out. And this kind of looks like it's like faux, like a grip, like leather, but it's very hard plastic right there. I don't know if you can see those dots, and then the rest is kind of a matte. And then it's going to be nearly impossible to see. Let's see what's on the back here. So we got some the LED indicators there, and I bought this just because it feels better in my hands for some games than the Joy-Cons, which are kind of small. So we got this here on the inside. So, all right, yeah, that is the Pro controller for the Nintendo Switch with the charging cable. And there you have it.